Well, it might not look different, but certainly is. These now have a new drive equipment at least. New controller at least, I mean. Because they run very differently now. They're much less efficient. They run not very good anymore. Well, they smoother, but they're definitely not as efficient, that's for sure. Has the same voice, which is odd. This is level 3, as you can see, it's actually happening right now.
Elevator going down.
Isn't how different this is? Shuffle is on. And just the other. You sound so weird. Your voice is not like that's not. And crappy indicator logic. I know what the other one is. I don't think, did it say AMD before? I can't remember. But yeah, it's modernised now. Sad.